What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. It's the end of the week. Hope you guys are doing well. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Let me just stop right here. It's gorgeous, gorgeous morning. Look around me, guys. Super nice. Even got some like little plants, whatever that is. But we got our bean today. It's a fun one. Is this birthday cake or is this dirty dishwasher? Comment below. Let's eat some beans. What was I thinking? I was thinking it might actually be good. Oh. Dirty dishwasher. Well, such a nice morning, guys. But I'm going to catch you tomorrow. I love you. God bless you. Stay fresh.